guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I thought like it's been a long time riding and it's a weekend too, so I thought I'll just go on a short ride. I guess I'll be heading towards DD Hills, which is like around 70 kilometers from my home. So let's hope we reach there soon. I hope you guys enjoyed my Pune vlog, and soon I'm planning to visit Chikmagalur too with my brother, obviously. Today he was supposed to come, the V-Storm, but unfortunately there was some other work, so maybe next week he'll just come up on a short ride. It's a bright sunny day. The time is currently 2:38 p.m. So it's just a noon ride, a Sunday lazy ride. Yeah, I hope I will get few interesting things on the way to show it to you guys. Fingers crossed, and let's get going. As usual, I have to fuel up Tequila. I have to feed her. It's less than half tank, so let's feed the Tequila. Obviously I have to take a small diversion ahead, a 5 minutes diversion, and then get back to the road, the normal route to DD Hills. DD Hills is basically known as Devaranya Durga Hill. There is a temple over there and even a viewpoint. So maybe I'll show you guys the viewpoint. I'm not sure of the temple, if it's open today or not, and even if it's open, I have all my helmets and all those stuffs, so I don't know where I'll keep it. And there are many steps over there. I'm not sure if I'll be able to climb up in these riding gears, because once I did it in Mandaragiri Hill and I was like drained out completely. I couldn't ride back the bike, so let's not take that risk. And yeah, soon I want to put a water bottle holder in my bike. I cannot keep a water bottle, that's the issue. Once I had kept it in my top box and somehow the cap opened and water spilled inside completely. Luckily I did not have any electronic gadgets inside, but should be safe, right? So I've seen a water bottle holder from Prospec, and their office is here only nearby in Kamnali, Kalyanagar. So maybe hope I'll go and get it from there. So now we have come to fuel up Tequila. Full tank. Power. 24/7 ಬಂಕ್ ನಾ ಇದು ನೈಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಬಂಕು? ಹಾಂ, 1 ಗಂಟೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. So yeah, we have done fueling up Tequila and now we are heading towards DD Hills. I have a doubt on this. I don't know whether he filled the fuel correctly or not, because already half tank was there and he has put fuel of worth 760 rupees, and the tank is only 11 liters. I don't know why do these people cheat awesomely. Hey guys, so now I'm currently on top of Yeshwantpur flyover, and till here I'm still inside Bangalore. It took me 1 hour to reach over here. There's too much of traffic inside Bangalore as it's Sunday. Obviously it's Sunday evening, and yeah, from here I guess it will take around 40 minutes to 1 hour more to reach DD Hills. Finally we have reached toll number 1. Okay, this Google Maps is showing many routes. So, yeah, I came inside one and there is a railway crossing. Let's wait. Ooh. Nice. Don't know where it's going. I guess it's going to Bangalore. Yeah, I guess from Shumaga or that side to Bangalore. Oh, one more. This guy is flying. Just see the landscape and the roads. It's actually a village, so we have to be very careful to suddenly cows or goats may pass by. Hey, there are good restaurants over here. There's a bar too. Cool. Yeah, I remember this place last time when I had come. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Welcoming, can I? Oh, okay. 1 minute. Sorry?
ಫ್ರೀ ತಗೊಂಡ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಯಾ ಶೋರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ?
ಇದು ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಶಮ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅದು.
ಹಾಂ.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು.
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಶೋರ್.
ಬಾಯ್ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬಾಯ್. We are riding towards DD Hills. I guess you'll be seeing the Panigale which went ahead. It was so nice. Whoa! Just look at this lake ahead. It's so damn beautiful. Just look at this view, guys. It's awesome. Seriously, just loving this place. Okay, I guess there is a entry fee. ₹10 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, front it's full of caves. Ooh. The road is gone. Last time it was there, it was a beautiful road. I don't know why did they break it. But it's okay, I have an off-roading bike. Tequila is gonna become dirty. This road was seriously so nice, guys. I don't know why these people broke it. For guys who want a road to bend down, please don't come over here. The road is gone. If you bend down here, the sand will pull you up, pull the tire. The temple is behind us. Let's go to the viewpoint directly. Just look at this view, guys. Awesome it is. It's an awesome view. Maybe we'll go front top. There is one more view. I'll show you to you guys. Maybe we'll park our bikes here. So I've taken this in my phone. Just see the view. The view is so beautiful. And there's some village over there, maybe. And that's the road we came down over here. So yeah, the road is full gone. So whoever wants to ride bikes in Ghat section, so thinking that please don't come over here, because the road, they have taken the road out and it's full of mud, so you cannot bend your bikes. Yeah, this is the viewpoint. So yeah, that's the temple over there in the top, which I said. Obviously I have to climb all the way up. In this riding gear, I don't think I can. But last time I had been there, it was nice actually. So now we are heading back to Bangalore from here. So maybe we'll have a chai in between and then leave to Bangalore. You know, it's too scary to hit the brake over here in turnings. Obviously it's mud, it is slip. The tires are good. Yeah, I forgot to tell that this bike, the BMW G310 GS, runs on Metzeler's, so it's very good. It's awesome. The grip is so nice. But yeah, once I remember that in slush, the bike was like going right and left. So yeah, only once I've ridden it in slush and it was too dangerous. I don't know whether it's normal with all the tires or what is it. But yeah, that one feedback I have from these tires. Other than that, the tire quality, the braking quality, everything is perfect. It's so nice. It's like you could go boating over here. Damn. Finally, our chai spot has come. The time is currently 5:54 PM. So yeah, this is the one. Okay, they have changed the lightings. Cool, it's nice. Last time they had stars and moons in the tree. I mean star and moon lighting. This time they have something else. But it's good. I'm not sure if it's crowded. Please don't be crowded, please. Oh, the lighting has changed and it's looking so beautiful. So hey guys, we've done having coffee in this beautiful cafe. So After this we'll be heading back to home. From here I guess it is around 30 minutes to home, and there's slight amount of traffic, so let's see how it will go. The time is 7:20 and see the traffic ahead. It's too much of traffic, and I'm not sure when I reach home. Maybe it will take 1.5 hours more. It's actually 15 minutes route, but I guess it will take around 1.5 hours more because the traffic is too much today, as it's Sunday, so everyone are coming back to Bangalore to start work from tomorrow. So yeah, so that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Keep supporting as always. Be happy and live your life up to the mark. This is Sachin signing off as of now.